Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Mustang. Stock number is A7297. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. You also have HID headlights, so those are nice and bright. A look down the passenger side. You have the blacked out alloy wheels wrapped with Pirelli tires. Looking at the tread there. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust as well as rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the trunk here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mustang on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.